Hello and welcome to a short instruction how to read and delete DTCs on your Caballero 500 Rally model year 25, but it should also work with many different models. As you might know, the shown message came up a few times. It tells you that you can do further 1000 kilometers without lack of engine power, and after those 1000 kilometers the power is reduced, and we don't want to have reduced engine power. We especially don't want that on a longer trip without any capable garage engineer. So I wanted to be prepared and checked the possibilities. You can also buy handheld devices which cost up to 60 or 70 euros, but their functionality is, let's say, reduced. For really good devices, you have to pay more than 100 euros. And you would have to carry around the bigger device. So I went for that kind of Bluetooth adapter, which fits into every jeans pocket, for example. Setting up the system is pretty easy. Connect the cable to the 6-pin plug of your bike. Then pair your smartphone with the Bluetooth device selected in the app, for example, the CarScanner app, and then you are already good to go. You will have a lot of possibilities in that app, but I will focus on the DTC area. So log into the diagnostic trouble codes and then you can read them. The codes won't help you much. They won't tell you where you should start your failure analysis. And since most of us have sporadical failures, which pop up from time to time, it is even more complicated to find the root cause for such failures. Finding such root causes is a pain in the, or let's call it, it's a waste of lifetime. And in my case, the failure wasn't critical. Otherwise, you would have another message. It wouldn't allow you to go 1000 kilometers. It would say limp home or stop the machine. Yeah, you might have noticed that the failure wasn't active during analyzing the DTCs. And I wanted to be sure if the app or device is really capable of deleting the check engine light, which is also called malfunction indicator light. That is why I disconnected the shown plug of the Caballero just to provoke that engine light, which you can see right now. And we'll delete that lamp together in a little bit better quality. The first attempt was done with the Action 360 cam. So check DTCs, clear them, and bam, the light is gone. So what shall I say? I'm pretty lucky with that kind of solution. I guess it makes sense to carry that device, at least on longer trips, because it wouldn't be a big surprise if you would see such failures. And I guess that you would also like to be prepared. The good thing is that this device is so small, you can carry it below the seat. There isn't much space, but it is enough to place it, and you can still close the seat without any problems. I wouldn't keep it connected because of the standby consumption, but yeah, that should be clear. As a final step, I'll show you the devices that I used, but there are probably lots of devices which can do the same, maybe cheaper devices, but these definitely work. At least in my case, there's no guarantee that it works on your motorcycle, but I guess it's worth a try. I paid less than 40 euros for both devices. Visiting the garage without a guaranteed solution is more expensive. Yeah, if that helped you a little bit, please hit like and subscribe. If you don't like it, I still wish you all the best. Have a nice ride, take care, and bye-bye.